We have given universal set U and sets A, B, C, D. We have to determine the set A plus B, or the sum of sets A and B, or in some books have that we have the union of two sets A and B. What is the union of two sets A and B? Elements which belongs to A or to B. So let me write this. This is all elements X such that X belongs to set A or X belongs to set B. So the union of set A and set B will be the sum of set A, so it means all these elements from set A and all elements from set B. And the elements which repeat, like 3, we don't copy, we just write 1 times 3. So the sum or the union of sets A and B is all elements from set A. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and we have to add elements from set B, which we don't have here. So we don't have 2. Next 3 we have, so we don't have to copy. 5 we have, 7 we have, and 15 we have. So this is our union of two sets A and B. This is my solution.